Hey, welcome everyone. Good morning. Sorry about the delay. Just fixing my coffee as usual. But let's dive into the charts right now because I think we might be having some movement here. And let me just put this marker here. And let's see what's going on. We're dropping. Okay. We have a weave up there. What was happening here? Joey, hey there. Welcome. Huge applause. George, good morning. Tammy me, good morning. One more applause to everyone. Drop a like. Okay. Daniel Lee, one more applause. And to DJ as well. Good to see everyone here. All right. Let's just put the marker here for the midnight open. We still have some buy side liquidity, by the way. Look at that. So that's what I was looking. I mean, a few hours ago. Harry, good morning. Good morning, Harry. So we have relative equal highs from the 1st of April, from Easter. Was that Easter? Yeah, it was Easter. So relative equal highs at 514, and we're not too far from that. I mean, okay, it's almost 100 points, but I think we have a chance to go for it. I mean, look at this consolidation, spike taking liquidity. Now it could be sweeping some liquidity from this area down there. So how about the price would like to go up? Let me delete this. Price would like to go higher to take out that buy side. Actually, that's not even previous day high. Okay, previous day high is right here. So let's just put it there. And previous day low is right there. Serdar, good morning, and Olivier, guys, welcome. Good to see everyone. Good to see everyone. How are you guys doing? All right. So let's go to the 15-minute chart just a little bit. And let's see what's happening. 15-minute. Still some fair value gaps here. So I'm definitely looking to take a long position. Hold on. Why is it not coming in? Do I have connection? I have connection, all right. Just watching some charts here. And I'm looking, again, I'm looking for a possible long position. It can still go down, try to reprice lower. We have some space. And I haven't really checked on ES yet. So let's check on ES. What is happening here? Interesting level. So the 52.33, yesterday I was really onto that level, but now I don't know. We have an order block on the 1 hour. Also a buy side liquidity up there. Previous day high, previous day low was here. So as for ES, it's hard to tell. I would say the same scenario. It might go for that. Marco, good morning. Daniel, Streamlabs. Good morning, Streamlabs. Yeah. Streamlabs, as usual, spamming you guys with the affiliate links. Sorry about that, but hey, still. I'm going to be putting on a new video. There's going to be a My Funded Futures giveaway, guys. My Funded Futures giveaway, 50K starter account. So it's going to be very simple to go with. And yeah. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah, Daniel. Streamlabs likes you. Okay. So so stay tuned. The video is gonna be out today after the New York session. I think so. So yeah. Anyway, we are in a daily discount. I'm not looking to go short just yet. I want to see I mean, this candle here is really interesting. Repriced this 1 hour bullish order block, because this is a 1 hour bullish order block. So have to be aware of this, like these kind of levels like this here. So the reaction was perfect. So again, bullish order block here on the 1 hour. What the hell is going on with Streamlabs? I'm sorry guys, it's just spamming like crazy. End of day Serdar, absolutely. I'm already preparing a detailed video about risk management and stuff like that, how end of day and intraday works. But My Funded Futures is using end of day trailing drawdown. But I'm going to be putting out a video as well comparing the two, end of day and intraday. For my personal perspective, I have absolutely zero problem with the intraday trailing drawdown. Absolutely no issue with that. And maybe you guys would understand too if I put out the video why it doesn't really matter if you are going with the correct risk. So for example, on a 50K account, if you risk like $100 on a funded account, not on an evaluation account, but a funded account, you shouldn't go all in anyway. So if you're risking $100 or maybe maximum $200, then there should be no issue with the intraday trailing stop. Absolutely no issue. All right. All right, I think we had a market structure shift. Market structure shift. This is actually a perfect entry if it would retrace back down there. Low is 26.50. Why is there a state error again? I have to restart my quant tower. Quant Tower does this all the time. All the time. No, actually not. It used to be from Rhythmic. Sometimes you have to restart. Okay, now it's going up. Sorry, down. This would be an optimal entry in this area down there. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Now, almost into, now this should be the optimal entry right now. Now it's in drawdown, but it's still optimal to enter. It's still a good place to enter. If you guys want to go long, I want to go long here, to be honest. Okay, all right. Come on, what is happening? All right. I'm in a position. I am in a trade. Let me show you. Exactly what trade am I in. It's a small risk trade, but I'm only risking like less than 0.5% on this one. How can I show you guys properly? I want to open a chart. Let me open a chart window here. Hi Chilton, hi Tom. You don't think it would be want to sweep the Asia low? Could be. Could be. I'm just taking an aggressive aggressive entry here. You know, I do see what you think here, but there was a strong push here. I think so far all it needed is a liquidity sweep, and that would be enough for price to go higher. And that's what I'm hoping here. There was some fair value gaps. I mean, there is a fair value gap in this area. So let me see. Let me see. Fair value gap here. Chart. I'm gonna open a chart window for you guys so you guys can see what I'm doing over here. All right. Get in there slowly. Settings, positions. Okay, okay, now this is my trade I have on right now. No take profit yet, but this one is a small position, so I'm risking about $200-ish, 220. Okay, so it's very aggressive, very risky trade. Actually, let me just adjust this properly. Because if this would go higher, I would expect this to go. I mean, the 1 to 2 risk to reward would be right at 42. Yeah, I mean 42 should be a good target. 40. All right, I'm gonna put my TP at 442. I do like that area, but if it wants to dump more, it's fine too. It's absolutely fine by me. It's just one position, so not the end of the world. Let me see, 42. Okay. This was a bit of an aggressive entry, I know. Hold on. I think I'm gonna have to put a rectangle here. There's the fair value gap. What? All right, this should be fine. So the reason why I entered, you might ask, is we had a strong push. This is the 15-minute, but I'm gonna go out to the 1 hour too. So this is the 1 hour chart. We had a strong push yesterday and also during, I mean, after the PM session close. And we also have relative equal highs here on the 1 hour chart. I do believe, even if it dumps lower, I can aggressively enter one more to a long. I do believe that we should be going for that buy side liquidity up there at the 500s, but worst case scenario, you know, we should be going back to 450s, yeah, somewhere around there. So that would be really interesting. And this could have been turning point. So this is the 1 hour. Definitely a bearish order block, buy side liquidity, relative equal highs, beautiful places up there, and that's my target. Again, it does not mean it cannot go down, because this down here is actually a 1 hour, sorry, a 1 hour bullish order block down there. And let me just put it to the top. So 1 hour bullish order block down there. It can also go down, revisit this since it was mitigated. This is not that strong anymore. So this is a good target, but we don't know what price wants to do. I just took a risk and entered. It's a very, 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 very high risk trade. So that's why I'm only risking less than 0.5%. You're trading already. Keep forgetting the time. No, it's hey, don't worry, McLovin. I'm trading, but I took this aggressive entry. It doesn't really mean anything at this point. For now, it looks like it's a bearish flag, which wants to drop furthermore into this hourly fair value gap to reprice the whole thing. So I would say only take this if you are really trading aggressive right now, because this was an aggressive entry. This still is. So don't enter unless you don't have a clear strategy or plan to take this trade. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Okay, still waiting. If it takes me out, I'm gonna be still looking for the same scenario. Another shift. If it breaks lower, which I think unfortunately will happen right now. But again, on the higher time frame, I do believe that we should be going to those relative equal highs on the 1 hour, almost out from this position. So yeah, unfortunately this is going to be a stop loss. I see that now. I'm risking $220 something on this one. This is what you guys see is my funded futures account, and since this week there is no activation, this particular account I have $1,700 in profit. So I thought I'm gonna go aggressive on the starter account. I'm not copy trading this to any of my other accounts. Yesterday I made a funded account at BULENOX, so this is a little bit more aggressive. But if I lose this one, I'm still gonna be only down to around $1,500 in profit on this my funded futures account. So yeah, this is about 0.5% risk-ish, about 0.5%, yeah, to be exact. And since the risk to reward is 1 to 2, I'm willing to add one more chance if I see a clean shift again. That would be kind of a second chance for the trade, but we'll see. Good morning, what the Forex, how you doing? I was short below the Asia low. Now I see your trade. No, don't worry. My trade is very much in danger, but it doesn't really matter now. If it breaks lower, it breaks lower. There you go. So this trade is out. Now what I'm looking for after this is for price to reprice this whole area here. Maybe it can even go lower to below the 400s definitely, but below 378. So I'm gonna be watching at these levels. Mihalis, good morning. And by the way, thank you for everyone being here. Huge applause for all you guys. Delta seems to be holding, but probably should wait till volume. Yeah. I was aggressive. I told you guys it was super risky. I was very aggressive. But I'm super happy that yesterday a BULENOX account got funded. So on this, my funded futures account, I'm still in a good profit. So I don't mind. This is a starter account. And by the way, as I told you guys, this week there is no activation fee on starter accounts at my funded futures. So, and my code still gives you 30% off, so use it wisely. And there's gonna be a giveaway, guys, a my funded futures giveaway. I'm gonna be uploading a video later after the New York session, just saying. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe and like the channel, subscribe, because there's gonna be a short video about my funded futures, and including that video there's going to be a giveaway, a 50k starter account. I know it's not 150k, but hey, so a 50K starter account from my funded futures is going to be the prize for that, so stay tuned. David, good morning. Good morning, David. Let's see what ES is doing. Still didn't make a new low. Could this be a SMT divergence? Who knows? Oh, by the way, guys, I'm just saying today's stream is going to be a little bit shorter than usual because I have to do some IRL business stuff. I have to travel to another city during the morning time here. So we're going to wait for London Open and another 20 or 30 minutes. So that gives me about another hour here with you guys. I used to stay at least until the end of the kill zone, but now I only have one more hour with you guys, so just saying. This is going to be a shorter stream in London, but hey, don't worry, I'll be back. Okay, so ES is not really doing anything. Do we have any news? Of course, I checked it. No special news here. Spanish services PMI. Okay, we have some PMIs and unemployment claims at 8:30. Unemployment claims at 8:30. Shifting again. I wonder if this is going to be a strong push with the market structure shift. Let's keep that in mind. All right, still going lower. Anyways, the good news is, and this is the commercial, BULENOX and Apex extended their sale. So, but keep in mind, BULENOX only gives you 90% sale from the option 1 accounts and only for the first month. Okay, so keep that in mind. Only for the first month and only for option 1 accounts. So 90% off, and Apex gives you an 80% lifetime discount. TOPSTEP gives you an additional 20% from the current price if you register through my link. And my funded futures still gives you the 30% discount for starter accounts and 20% for resets on expert accounts, and no activation fee until the weekend. So that's a good thing. Also $50 resets, just saying. That was the commercial. Thank you so much. You can also join my Discord. And that's it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. No market structure shift yet. So we'll see. No market structure shift. BULENOX activation fee after passing 100K account. I'm going to show you. So these are the activation fees for BULENOX. The 50K account, $148. The 100K account is $248. I strongly advise anyone not to take higher than 100K account at BULENOX because the activation fee is insane. For $500 to activate the 150K account is absolutely insane. Not to mention the 250K account. The 248 is still somewhat okay-ish compared to Apex. But the best accounts as industry standard goes with the $148 activation fee at BULENOX. So I would not take a bigger account at BULENOX than the 100K. That would be the highest. I would not take the 150K because the activation fee is extremely expensive. Omen still doesn't have. I don't, Trev. I don't. What can I do? The pain. The pain. What should I do, Trev? Come on, man. Come on. Hi, Donnie. I'm looking for longs. Yeah, I already had a long here, which I lost right here. This was a long. Unfortunately, it took me out. Sorry. Up. Come on. So this was a failure, and but I'm looking for longs. I'm gonna explain to you guys why, because I see a lot of people, which I'm super happy for. If you go to the 1 hour chart, look at this. We have relative equal highs to the left. This here, I know it's not that important, but this here is a bearish order block, by the way. Relative equal highs, bearish order block. Buy side liquidity is definitely at the order block up there above the 500s, actually 514. And this one here, might nobody have noticed this, but this candle, this formation right there, that's also a bearish order block. So I strongly believe that there is a lot of place where price could go from here. But also, if you know, market decides that they just want to dump it all the way down, this is a 1 hour bullish order block down here. It has already been mitigated once, so this means that this order block is definitely weak down there. So if they want to dump it all the way down, we might have to consider to target this wick low down there at 300-ish. What's the low of this? The low is 303.25. So we can expect price to drop down there. For now, I would anticipate that price continue to go higher, take out these levels, and you know, that's why I'm looking for long positions. At least for now, that's my plan. The problem is that it's not really showing strong displacements here. You know, it's just hovering here. We are now in the idiot box. Yeah, we are now in the official idiot box. Official idiot box. Nascalp God, yo. And by the way, huge applause to everyone here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe because a giveaway is gonna happen, not today, but stay tuned because I'm gonna upload the video. It's gonna be a My Funded Futures 50K starter account. And you might ask, okay, but why is it starter? Why is not expert? I'm gonna explain in the video, okay? And I'm going to explain also why I like the starter accounts better. And you might say, oh, but Tom, there's a consistency rule at the starter account and there's a withdrawal cap. Don't worry. Donnie C, just subscribe. Thank you so much. Do you enter at 3 or I entered at 2:14 a.m. Eastern. This was an aggressive entry. Again, I told everyone here on stream that do not take this unless you want to be aggressive. I took it and it dumped down. It was dangerous because there's still a fair value gap waiting to be repriced, but my analysis is still the same, that I will be looking for possible long positions. This one failed, so it is what it is. Bro, I am so happy. I just finished paying for my... What? $20 special 200 EMA trend lines. What, really? $20 special 200 EMA trend lines. That sounds very good, man. Congrats, congrats. Nasdaq, if you're happy, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. Okay. Pesky Peters, subscribe. Welcome to the stream and to the channel. Good to see you. Oh, come on. You really believed I was being sarcastic. Nasdaq God, I know you're crazy in a good way. I mean, really. And I'm saying it with all the respect. Sometimes I just don't know what you're talking about. Sometimes I don't understand your sarcasm. I just wanted to congratulate you. Yo, Greg, what's up? Pasky, you're welcome. You're welcome. Welcome to the channel. So, guys, stay tuned. The video is coming with the 50K giveaway. And since I have a small channel, I say there's a good chance for everyone to be a winner. So there's going to be a My Funded Futures giveaway, and there's going to be BULENOX giveaways too, which is going to be a Cash App giveaway, 50K accounts, and it's going to work like the 50K accounts with the promo is $17.50. So that means including the transfer fees and everything, I'm going to be sending around $20 for Dean. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. So I'm going to be sending out, it's going to be a cash prize giveaway, but you can use it forever. Whatever you want. You can do whatever you want with it. I'm going to be sending it to PayPal or what else can I send with? Venmo. I don't have Venmo, but I can register for Venmo. PayPal, Venmo, maybe other things, but it's going to be a cash giveaway. $20. You can use it to buy, if you want to, of course, a BULENOX evaluation account. So there's going to be giveaway as well, most likely tomorrow, Friday. So we are going to try to do that tomorrow, the BULENOX and My Funded Futures. It's going to be details in the video. Dean. Yeah, Dean. That was the welcoming. That was the welcoming for you. Straight from the Wolf of Wall Street. How can I afford a Bitcoin with I need more Bitcoin. Well, listen, I think you can buy some Bitcoin for $20. By the way, how is Bitcoin doing? Is it crashing already? Not yet. Okay. Not yet. All right, so grab your discounts, guys. How is everybody doing on this beautiful day, by the way? Hope everybody's doing good. Greetings from Serbia. Oh, wow. Tom, you are early. Why am I early? I'm not early. The market, I know, but you know, the kill zone starts at 2 a.m. Dean, greetings from Hungary. We are neighbors, technically, and I do love Serbia. So, Serbia is a beautiful place. Yes, I'm looking to go long, and if I have to guess, Nasdaq, you're looking to go short. which is completely understandable. Of course, I'm looking to go long. Definitely. I have some very good targets on the upside. Very, very, very good targets. Look at all this stuff on the upside. Of course, we have this wick at 303 down here at yesterday's PM session low. So that is also a very strong level. Let's not forget that. And right down here. So that's also a strong level. Don't forget that. All right. Do you know a futures prop firm with easier withdrawal conditions like no consistency rule, no minimum number of trading days? Well, most of these prop firms, yeah, will. I don't know, Dean. I hope there's. No, it could be sarcasm, but hey, I love Serbia. I mean, truly, I love the country. Anyway, Dibekulu, easier withdrawal conditions, minimum trading days. Well, you know, most of the prop firms are usually pay out on a bi-weekly basis, like Apex or My Funded Futures. I mean, let's just compare the futures prop firms to the Forex prop firms. Forex prop firms usually have you take payouts, I mean, with a few exceptions, at bi-weekly basis. Some of them are a monthly basis. So I would say that one of the best payout methods are from My Funded Futures and maybe TOPSTEP. But you know, TOPSTEP, the earliest stage when you can ask for a payout is 5 days, but then you have to be consistently profitable over $200 per day, of course. So you have to make at least $200 per day to ask for a payout from TOPSTEP, and that's the earliest stage. But you know, as for the withdrawals, I think My Funded Futures and TOPSTEP is the fastest and easiest one to go with. And consistency rule wise, I would say that the My Funded Futures expert account doesn't have consistency rule, no cap on the withdrawals, and TOPSTEP also doesn't have a consistency rule on the funded account, only on the combined account. So, but if you go with My Funded Futures, go with the expert if you're bothered with or by the consistency rule. Okay. So that's that. Okay. There is a fair value gap here. I mean, I don't know. I don't know, people. I don't know. Could this be a long position? Maybe. Maybe. But where can it go? That's the good question. Because we just have a fair value gap here. Also shifting structure. If you guys want to go aggressive, here is your entry. Yeah. Fair value gap ICT entry right there. What about, did they also have consistency rule? I don't know any consistency rule at BULENOX. Master account. If you go to the help center, master account rules. I mean, not too much about the master account. Minimum withdrawal payments. Minimum withdrawal is threshold, safety threshold 2600. First 3 payments is $1,000. There's a maximum withdrawal for the first 3 payments of $1,500 on the 50K account, for example. But I'm not gonna go over the details right now, but there should be 30%. There you go, 30% consistency rule. But if you're, because the withdrawal is capped at BULENOX, there should be no issue. Oh, 40%. Okay, 40%. I have absolutely no problem with the 40% consistency rule, so I absolutely don't care about that because that means, so if you target like $3,600 for the withdrawal threshold, then why do you want to make on a funded account more than like $1,200 or $1,300 on any given day? For example, if you make like $500 on a funded account at BULENOX, you should be walking away for the day. You should be closing the charts, and that would be it. So why would you do that, right? London is opening in less than 10 minutes. Everybody is talking about, oh, but consistency rule. But I understand. I go long and goes down instantly. This was an aggressive entry again. And even if you're long, your stop loss should be wider than usual. So maybe down at 416, 417. So with the lower risk, you can use wider stop, Camille. I'm on day 5 with 43% on BULENOX. There you go. 40%, it's really good. But I see these comments here and there on internet like, oh, but it has a 40% consistency rule. But you don't really get it. I mean, if you're on a funded account, let's just say a 50K funded account, and let's just do a calculation, all right? A real quick calculation. So the withdrawal threshold at BULENOX is $3,600. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. That was a laugh. 40% is $1,400, $1,440. So you're saying, oh, but it's a problem. The consistency rule is there is 40%. Listen, if you're making 14, not even 14, if you're making about $500 or $600 or even $300 on any given day on your 50K funded account, you should be walking away for the day or trade on another account for the rest of the day. Because if making $1,400 in one given day on a 50K funded account is not enough for you, then you are gambling. I'm sorry, you might going to hate me for this. That's the honest truth. If $1,400 on a 50K account is not enough profit for you, then you are gambling. You have an addiction for gambling and you should go to the casino. I'm sorry. But that's the truth. So I don't care. I don't even care about the 30% consistency rule. I don't care. Because I don't want to make $1,400 on a 50K account on any given day on a funded account. Maybe you can do it. I mean, you can do it on an evaluation account. You can, go all in and do that. But consistency rule, you should not care about the consistency rule at all, by the way. But I know it raises questions. Let's hope we push up in kill zone. Sorry about that. Just had to go out. Oops, I need at least 5k on 25. Oh no, Camille. Oh no, I'm okay with 10%. Yeah, there you go. There you go. 10% consistency rule is still fine. By the way, it's still, I mean, it really, Rhythmic software allows you to get profit limits so you don't, yeah, with Rhythmic, you can set up your own limits so you're not going to overtrade. And that's a good thing. All these rules made just to make traders fail, not trade. Yeah, these are absolutely, I mean, these are like psychological or mental things to fail traders, to keep that in mind. So here in Serbia, average salary is 700 euros per month. 200 a day is enormous. There you go, Dean. The same amount of money is the average salary here in Hungary. So if you make $200 on a given day from trading, that is insane amount of money for 1 day's work. So the reason why they have consistency rule, because they don't want traders to make a big hit on a single trade. Of course, but you don't really need to, of course. Mitch, hey there, how's it going? Agreed with these rules. They technically forces you not to withdraw or profit right away, force you to trade for many days to fail. You can say that. Actually, I partially agree with you, Dibekul, and partially, I mean, no, I agree with you. They want to keep you on track, so you might fail, but it's a, how do they say in English? It's a two-edged sword, two-edged sword, double-edged sword, because it's also forcing you to practice proper risk management. And that's how I view it from my perspective. It's really forcing you not to do anything stupid. So don't aim for big profit days, and also trade small size and consistently, because at the end of the day, no matter if you're trading on a funded account, a prop firm, or your personal account, the key is to be consistently profitable from trading. And you cannot do it if you're gambling, you know, no matter what kind of amount you're going with on a personal account. If you're gambling it away, even on a $200 account, $2,000, $20,000 account, $200,000 account, you can't gamble away like 5-10% on any given day, because then, you know, that is gambling, in my personal opinion. Absolutely. You want to be profitable trader, no? So what if you must trade 1 or 2 weeks before withdrawal? Yeah, so I don't have any problem with the bi-weekly payouts. I don't even have a problem with the monthly payout, because I want to build up capital. I want to build up profits, you know. Of course, it sounds very good to take out money every day. I want, for example, Take Profit Trader lets you to take out money every single day, right? So Take Profit Trader, you can take out your profits immediately, but there's a catch there. I don't know the details, but it's not that simple as you think. But you have to leave a safety cushion as well, so it locks you in. And anyway, I'm not going to go into details. We don't need to, but we can't let our winners run. I'm sick of prop firms pretending that they care. They don't care about traders. Prop firms do not care about traders. I agree with you, Greg. Prop firms absolutely do not care about traders. They have a business, guys, to run, and their business is to have more people failing. They know they have an edge against the traders. They know that 90% of us are going to fail, and that's a huge edge. They do not care the slightest. They don't care the slightest bit. I don't care which name we're talking about. Whatever name you can come up with, futures prop firms, forex prop firms, you can come with FTMO, TOPSTEP, Apex, whatever. Nobody, none of these prop firms care about you. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. They don't care about you. So, absolutely not. All right, we're still dropping here. Let me see what's happening. They care about their business, yeah. Still waiting for some long positions here. That was an aggressive entry there, but maybe we see some displacement now that London is open. Or maybe a further drop down. Damian, thank you for the sub. Thank you for the sub. Welcome to the channel. I'm just happy to have a platform like TOPSTEP, and now we need mushrooms are legally. Well, okay. There you go. Nasdaq has what it takes. It is business. Lost 2 TOPSTEP 50K funded accounts with $1,500 profit each and 3 days of profitability. I had to trade for 2 more days for $200 profit to be able. That's the only thing. I mean, not the only thing, but I love TOPSTEP. I think they're. I mean, I'm not saying I love them, but TOPSTEP. Let's just say they give you good conditions. I mean, I don't love each of these prop firms like that much because, as I said, they don't really care about traders. But TOPSTEP is one of the OGs and the good ones, so I think they're really good. And but the only 2 things I don't like with them is the payout policy. The $200 winner days it puts you into a little bit of an extra pressure, and I think that's a psychological edge against the trader. And the other thing is the scaling rule, the micro and the minis scaling rule. For example, on a 50K account, on a funded account, you can only trade with 2 micros. I think they should let traders to trade at least with 5 micros on a 50K account. That would be good. But on the funded account, they only let you to trade 2 micros. So in a way, they are forcing the traders, if they really want to make some good profits, to take on a mini contract. That is a huge difference, of course, to enter with 1 mini than with 2 micros. So there's a huge difference there. It's an amazing time to be alive, guys. Live it up. Good morning. Good morning, Argana. Hey there. Good to see you. And by the way, I'm just saying to you guys, there's going to be a My Funded Futures giveaway, but not today. There's going to be a video coming out later tonight after the New York PM session. There's going to be a starter account giveaway. Details are going to be in the video. And there's going to be BULENOX giveaway. Maybe tomorrow is Friday. So tune in tomorrow as well in the London and the New York session. Tomorrow giveaway and My Funded Futures. The details are going to be in the video. Okay. 1 mini is 10 micro. Yeah. But still, TOPSTEP does not let you to trade more than 2 micros on the funded account. 2 micros. Woohoo, can't wait. TOPSTEP customer service can be pretty shitty at times, but haven't heard that too many complaints from them when it comes to payouts and transferring. That's true. So TOPSTEP has no issues with the payouts. They're really paying. They paid me last year. They paid me this year. So I think they're really honest in that matter. And yeah, no problem with customer service. I do like them. So what else is there to say? What else is there to say? Looks like we might be having a small structure shift, so almost ready for another ICT long here. But it's repricing. I see that now. It's already repricing it. It's already repricing. Let me check briefly of what's happening. Okay, 30 seconds. For this to get repriced or not. 14 seconds. We might be having a gap here. If you guys want to be real aggressive, let's just wait. Okay. So technically, there is a gap right there. And technically, it tapped into that gap. So who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? And where can it go if we favor the upside here? It's still going down. I'm just trying to track this. It feels like that it might want to go all the way down to... Where was it? Hold on. All the way down. Can it go down? Maybe down there. Look at this at 380. I'm trying to catch that level. Can that be a target for price? Who knows? 380. Can it really go down there? 380. Maybe. Maybe it can. I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest, right now. 380. Let me check it. 380-ish level. Who knows? Really hard to tell. So that one is right there. Quite interesting. That would be quite an interesting drop. To go down to that area. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. That is not true. TOPSTEP 50k, you can trade 5 lots micro. Yeah, if you scale up, sorry, Arthur, that's true. If you scale it up, you can. But when you start out with a funded account, you can only go with 2 micros. But that's true, what you're saying. You can trade 5 micros if you scale up. Go full port real quick and out if you know what is going to happen. 15 con is full send. There you go. It's dropping still. I was trying to believe that this could be the target right down there at the 80s. 380s. You know, somebody was talking about Asia lows. What if that's a possible target? Still in the idiot games. I have my TP at 187s. Oh yeah, so yeah, Nasdaq got is short. Almost forgot. Almost forgot. Respect. Respect. No, it feels like it's gonna drop like hell. I don't know. Oh, what do we have? 283. I'm just calculating some levels here. Can it really go down there? I think it can. Sounds weird, but I think it can. And I think it might just will. Okay. 388 Asia low. Yeah, that could be. So just saying, guys, part of the commercial. But hold on. Bob, good morning. Chilton says then go higher. Okay, that could be happening. So getting ready for that. What else do we have here? What trade pre-market is worth? Well, sometimes it gives very good opportunities. We used to have some very good pre-market entries. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. You never know. Did some back tests. Gorov, hey there, welcome Gorov. Let me give you an applause, and to everyone. Just finished all my lectures today. Can focus on London. Nice. There you go, Muhammad. Well, guys, I just want to say that today this is a short stream. I'm streaming since an hour now, and I told you guys that I'm gonna be going to some places, and I have another 20 minutes here, 25 maybe, I don't know. No, not 20, maybe 20 minutes on stream. So I'm sorry about that, everyone, but I really have to close early today. But you know, it's going up. It's going up. Look at this. Maybe we have an entry finally. This could be a bullish breaker, to be honest. Let me check this out again. Yeah, this could be a, or not. Almost like a bullish breaker. Not a bullish breaker yet. But almost. Almost. No, I didn't. I didn't look at the QQQ. Nasdaq God. Can go short. Yeah, I mean, we can try that. There is a very significant low down at 380. I'm not sure if it wants to drop all the way down there, but it can. It's a bull trap, Tom. I don't like the way I covered it. I shorted pre-Powell speech. Yeah, that was really crazy. Just a second. Chop shop today. Cheers. You're out. Well, Dean, I think there's gonna be a chop shop. You might be right. You might be right. It does look like a chop shop today. And if you look at the 1 hour, I mean, it's really hard to tell. But it does feel like it can go all the way up. Who knows? The 1 hour still looks pretty much bullish to me. Maybe I'm wrong. But again, I wouldn't be surprised if we would retrace down to the 80s. Can that be possible? I think it can be. To be bullish, you want to see break and retest of weave up. Yeah. Maybe even wait for second pullback. YNS is moving sideways. Well, I think pretty much everybody's waiting for some news event to come out. But look at this. Wow. At the 80s. That is really crazy down there. Even if I pull it down, yeah, I'm trying to check these other charts. Crazy. Crazy. Maybe there's some news, somebody's talking. We have some PMI news coming out right now. Now it's turning back up. This is definitely Chop City. Hard to tell. Yeah, no clean direction. So that's why you have to go with higher time frames like 1 hour, 15 minute. The 15 minute is still undecisive. Technically, we're just consolidating. 1 hour looks bullish, but what if it wants to retest these lows again or wants to go down below the 380s? That's the big question. 4 hour is bullish. You know, it is crazy. Not only today, but I think NQ at London session is always scamming. Well, yeah. London session is a tricky one. Is your money? Yeah, and also NFP week. NFP week, there's usually a lot of manipulation. So, yeah. Anyway, until this one decides which direction to go, you're welcome to take some discounts. Really, this is the part of a commercial. BULENOX and Apex extended their sale, but BULENOX only gives you 90% for option 1 accounts and only for the first month. Apex gives you lifetime 80% discount for the evaluation account. TOPSTEP additional 20% when you sign up with my link from the current price, and my funded futures, the 30% off is still working with my link and code, and no activation fee on the starter accounts. If you want to YOLO some accounts, you can do it today and tomorrow. No activation fee. All right, that was the commercial. Use my links, it really helps out the stream. Thank you. Are we trading NFP with some challenges or not? Oh yeah, we will. I'm gonna full send BULENOX accounts tomorrow. That's the plan. Full sending BULENOX accounts. Those are cheap. So maybe I'm gonna full send 2 or 3 BULENOX accounts. I don't know, maybe more. I'm gonna try that with Apex too, but I don't really want to piss away unnecessarily money. But I definitely want to do that at NFP. I want to scale up some accounts. I can't miss this. It's not going to be super special, so I'm definitely going to calculate risk, and I'm not going to go in with 7 contracts. I'm going to calculate risk and go accordingly. So on average, I think I'm going to be going in with 3 to 4 minis, and we'll see how it goes. All right. Let's see if Nasdaq wants to go down or up. Who knows? No clear entry, guys. No clear entry. You won't make it past the 3rd trade. Anki usually does the opposite of Nas. 4 minutes, 6 trades. I'm betting you pop the eval. Most likely. That's the goal, to pop the eval. Actually, that's why I'm doing it, to pop the evaluation account. So so that's the goal, actually. All right. But yeah, most likely I'm gonna be risking about $1,000 on the BULENOX accounts per trade, which means if I go with the risk reward of 2, even if it gets to like 1R, it should not be trailing me out from the position. So that's it. That would be the goal. And I say it again, if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and push the like button if you will, because there's going to be my funded futures giveaway as well. There's going to be a video uploaded later on about the details, and BULENOX account giveaway too. So make sure to tune in tomorrow. All right. Still no direction, guys. I don't know. Feels bullish. I think it wants to go higher. Feels like it wants to go higher, but I'm not sure. The high is actually, what's the high here? Can it go all the way to the 500s? I don't know. No clean entry. 5 minute feels heavy. Yeah. This is going to be 50k. Yeah, it's going to be 50k account. It's going to be 50k's. Maybe, oh yeah, 50k is good. To full send. Well, I don't see any entries, unfortunately, boys and girls. So, Yeah. There were some aggressive entries here and maybe here, but at this point, it's hard to say. Anyway, I don't know. When is the giveaway and what are the rules? Well, no special rules. The giveaway is gonna be a My Funded Futures giveaway. There's gonna be a video. I'm gonna be putting it on tonight after the PM session, Europe PM session. Make sure to subscribe. It's going to be a short video about My Funded Futures. There's going to be a form included. You just fill out your email. The only rule to have a My Funded Futures account, you don't have to buy anything. You can create an account for free with My Funded Futures. You don't have to buy anything. You just need to register with your email. But there's going to be a form. You have to use that. And everything is going to be explained in the video. So don't worry about that. And it's real simple. There's going to be a wheel spin live on stream. And there's also going to be a BULENOX giveaway. We're going to do it live on stream. But I'm going to figure it out for tomorrow. Okay. As for now, I think this is it. You know, check out the discounts and everything, but I don't think I can take more trades since I told you guys I have some stuff that I need to handle today. So hopefully I'll be back in the New York session around, well, for the market open maybe, but I'll see. I have to travel around some cities, unfortunately, I love you all guys, but I have to leave you guys right now. And thank you so much for watching. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. The video is going to come out. I'll be here tomorrow in London, that's for sure, but maybe today in New York as well. And this was the short stream. I had an entry here, I failed, so that's an L for me, but maybe it will go higher. There's no clean direction, so be careful. Be careful. There's going to be news at 8:30. Love you all, guys. And thanks for being here on the stream. This was really exciting and good talk. Good talk. So have a good one, guys, and see you soon. Cheers.